Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to use the hover property with images and how you can use them. So let's start programming, and with that we'll do something like something about hover. So let's start. HTML head GLD style, then dot drop down position relative display inline block, then dot drop down content display none position absolute background color F9 F9 F9, then minimum width 160 pixel, box shadow 0 pixel, 8 pixel, 16, 0 RGB A 0 comma 0 comma 0.2 Z index 1 dot drop down over dot drop down content display block, dot tesc padding 15 pixel, text align center, style div, then div class equals to drop down imgsrc equals to this, alt equals to image1, image1 width equals to 100, height equals to 50, then div class equals to drop down content and then image src equals to alt equals to image1 width equals to 300, height equals to 200, then div class equals to desc. This is something text div, then div, another div slash body slash html, copy everything and take it to your emulator. Yeah, so let me just show you what I'm trying to say. Now you can see that there's a smaller image here over here of a disk. As soon as I take my mouse over there, there's a larger image displayed. So that's what the program was supposed to do, and it says what it is. Like so, if you want, you can create such a kind of thing that where you take your mouse over the image, a larger image is displayed. Again, this can be part of a bigger website, but that's how you do the programming. So that's it for this video.